PM Eastern Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Greenfield, or 13 miles south of Anderson, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Is this a storm
This
coming
is a
towards me?
radar-indicated threat.
It's Hancock,
The
so I
following
think it
impacts
is.
are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
So a noose.
Expect wind
Let's
damage
just
to
let
roofs, siding,
Cole
and
talk.
trees.
I'm sorry,
This
Cole.
severe thunderstorm will be near Shirley, Markleville, and Wilkinson around 2:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This includes Interstate 69 near mile marker 229. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a
I'll
building.
have to look at the IM map.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following
Here comes the
counties
storm.
in Indiana.